We are alarmed by the government of China's worsening crackdown on Uyghurs, Kazakhs, and other Muslims in the Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region.
We are deeply concerned by credible reports of the mass detention, repression, and surveillance of Uyghurs and other Muslims in Xinjiang.
We recommend that China abolish all forms of arbitrary detention, including internment camps in Xinjiang, and immediately release the hundreds of thousands, possibly millions, of individuals detained in these camps.
我们不会接受个别国家罔顾事实、充满偏见和政治色彩的指责。新疆基于反恐斗争的需要，设立了教培机构，就是要通过教育帮助少数受极端主义侵蚀和影响的人摆脱恐怖和极端思想，早日回归社会。